start 9th playoff series against Real, tulad ng sabi mo sa akin na the familiarity just makes things tougher for both teams. What were the challenges posted by Meralco on the night that you want to discuss in practice tomorrow to strengthen your chance of keeping them again?
Well, it was really a tough game, no? Especially because Meralco is a very good defensive team. They made it difficult for us to really execute our offense. So yun yung challenge namin, how we can stay disciplined with our execution. They do a lot of things that take you out of that execution. But again, I think the players really, yung grit lang nila talaga ang panalo dito. Also, yung challenge them because last game against them without an import, we got clobbered in the points. So I think we did a better job against Meralco in getting rebounds. But it's going to be tougher. They know what we're doing. Very familiar, and their report looks like he's already recovered from the back injury. Gave us a lot of problems, and the guards got into the paint, so we still have a lot to work on defensively. Sorry, I would say, kasi Coach Tim, wala lang voice, that's all.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Scotty, conference high, 23 points, and 3 out of your 4 highest scoring games kalaban Meralco. Is there anything particular against Meralco na parang mas maganda usually where you score a game?
First and foremost, all glory to guys sa panalo nito. So lang give also yung wife ko, family ko, yung mga anak ko. And yun, I think yung familiarity and magkataon lang din siguro na tuwing playoffs kami nagtatapat against Meralco. And we know grabe yung defensive team nila. And coming to this game, sabi nga ni Coach Richard, we have to battle their physicality. No? Kaya yun, basta playoffs lang as a veteran, kailangan ko lang din maging ready to step up yung mga elimination game.
Now, Scotty, hindi lang yung offense mo, yung maganda ngayong game. That was an all-around game for you. And every time na nakukuha ka ng rebound or there's a hustle play for you, na-excite mo si yung crowd, is this a factor or does it motivate you to grab another rebound because, again, yung nagagawa ng crowd?
Overall naman, yun lang talaga yung gusto ko maging aggressive both ends ng offense and defense. Nagkataon din talaga na nasisip yung mga team ako and ready din sa mga teammate ko na nahanap ako. We move the ball well. I think 5 guys sa amin na nasa double figures. So I think malaking bagay sa amin, side sa amin na talaga yung bola gumagalaw sa offense.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media. Anyone?
Scotty, 33.7 minutes of the 4 games. What are the numbers again? Scotty, usual po sales talaga para kasing tonight is no day to red.
Yun, as a veteran, sabi ko kanina, kailangan ko mag-set up during playoff time kasi alam natin kung gaano mahirap manalo dito sa playoff every team. So, mahirap kayo sa mga tapat namin. Yun lang, I think, na-just me, lahat naman kami, yung veterano, magaganda yung nalalo kasi alam namin kung ano yung anong state ng game na to, kung saan kami dadalhin ng mga isa pa yun. Ito yung start.
Kami ang minsan lagi kayo nagalaman ng Meralco sa playoff. Pero meron bang kayo parang hindi pa kayo bagay pa lang hindi pa kayo nakipigure out sa Meralco all these playoff matchups na
eh, sabi ko nga, lahat kami, so nagkakamuyan na talaga, medyo alam na namin yung players' tendencies, I think it's up na lang sa mga sa amin kung paano namin i-execute lahat ng game plan kasi andyan naman na yung lahat. So, yun na lang yung key kung paano namin i-execute hard, especially coming sa defense ng Meralco sa ng aggression and physical.
Coach, last game before the elimination round was against the same team, and most of the players benefits that would benefit all positively to Cebu?
I think that was huge because we were able to rest yung mga starters namin, yung main guys, and we were able to prepare well. Na-balance namin yung rest at saka preparation for them because we expect this series, of course, against Meralco to go 3 games. I mean, yun ang lagi namin expectation. Of course, if we can win the next game, then good. But again, you're talking about playing every other day. So, crucial yun. And then, we will take whatever advantage we can get against Meralco. As sinabi nga ni Scotty, they're a very physical team. They're very disciplined also in their execution. So, and it's a very emotional game also for both teams. Lahat talaga gusto manalo. So, kailangan talaga yung rest is as important as the preparation on the court.
Previous same question. How was that last game? Madami kang against the rest. And did it show me considering like a very good performance today?
Yun, naging key din sa amin yan. Like Coach Richard said, nakapagpahinga kami and malaking bagay yung rest sa amin especially playoff time, yung game every other day. So, yun yan, push siya sa amin yung pahinga, nakakatulog ng maayos.
And that ends our post-game press conference. Congratulations, Coach Scotty.
Ha?